Resolving IBS at the Wellbeing Sanctuary. Irritable Bowel Syndrome, IBS, is more than just a physical digestive disorder. It is often a reflection of deeper imbalances within the mind-body connection. IBS manifests as a complex interplay between the gut and the brain, triggered by various factors such as stress, trauma, dietary sensitivities, and emotional health. Early signs and symptoms of IBS. Abdominal pain or cramping. This is often the most common symptom, usually experienced in the lower abdomen, and tends to improve after a bowel movement. Bloating and gas. A sensation of fullness and increased gas production is frequently noted. Changes in bowel habits. This may include diarrhea, constipation, or a combination of both, often disrupting daily life. Mucus in stool. Some individuals may notice clear or white mucus in their stool. Food sensitivities. Certain foods may exacerbate symptoms, making dietary triggers crucial to identify. When we look deeper, IBS often signals unresolved emotional patterns or stress responses embedded within the body, making it essential to address both the mind and body for lasting relief. The Wellbeing Sanctuary offers a transformative and integrative approach to managing and resolving IBS. Root cause exploration. Our expert counselors and therapists work with you to uncover emotional and psychological factors contributing to your IBS. By identifying root causes, such as stress, trauma, or unresolved emotional patterns, we lay the groundwork for true healing. Mind-body therapies. We utilize techniques such as mindfulness, hypnotherapy, neuroplasticity-based approaches, and somatic therapies to help rewire stress responses and restore balance in the gut-brain connection. Stress management. Since stress is a major trigger for IBS, we offer personalized stress management programs, including meditation, guided relaxation, and cognitive behavioral strategies. Personalized dietary guidance. Our nutrition experts provide tailored dietary plans, including identifying and managing food triggers like those identified through low FODMAP diets. Holistic counseling. By addressing emotional well-being, building resilience, and empowering you to transform your stress responses, we help you achieve long-term relief. Ready to take the first step toward lasting relief? Book a free discovery call with us today and start your journey to vibrant health and well-being.